To mitigate risk and ensure stability, financial institutions must have up-to-date technology that complies with regulatory requirements. One of Mexico's leading banks needed to quickly modernize and secure a legacy HR system. The company's aging intranet, home to over 100 services for employees, suffered from persistent performance issues, poor user experience, and costly maintenance. Stefanini leveraged the power of artificial intelligence to update the system, migrating legacy code faster with higher accuracy and lower cost than human developers alone could provide. Our proprietary SciApp platform discovered and translated obsolete code, while also generating documentation and accelerating QA processes with fewer defects in testing, creating a modernized, secure intranet that allowed employees to safely and simply carry out essential HR transactions online. Imagine making old code new again. You can imagine. With artificial intelligence, we did it.